Hey everyone, I wanted to share something with you that I've been working on for a while now. Some time ago I released this free pack of noise textures mainly to use in real-time VFX. I made them freely available because I believe in supporting our creative community. As time passed, I've learned a lot more about the noise textures, how I use them, and with this new knowledge I felt it was a time to create a fresh pack of textures building on what I learned. So I'd like to show you a few examples of erosion types I've used with those textures. I've also been exploring more stylized VFX lately, so you'll find textures in this pack that could help you achieve those looks. And to add to variety, some textures have directional elements which can help you with the various effects if directionality is what you need. I understand that noise textures can be sometimes tricky to use effectively. That's why I've created a video to go along with this pack. In it, I demonstrate various applications like erosions and UV distortions. We will also walk through creating a stylized smoke effect starting from scratch with the material and setting up Niagara system. If you're interested in just the textures, you can find them on my Gumroad page. There is a link in the description. For those who want to dive deeper, there is a version 2 available. It includes a 40-minute video where I show how I use those textures, plus a quick guide on creating a stylized smoke. I hope you find those resources useful in your project. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or you just want to share what you create with those textures. All right, thank you so much.